Hello and welcome to this video. And in this video, we will talk about if you want to do text to speech, if you want to type text very fast, it is much more simpler because I myself do not want to type a lot. So in this situation, what I do is I use different tools. If you're using your cell phone, you can use text to speech, Google text to speech when you're typing in your WhatsApp. But if you are typing, if you want to do it on your computer, you can just Google speech notes. This is a website called speechnotes.co, and then you can go down and start dictating. It's very simple and easy, and this is a website that I use primarily. So what I will do here is I need to have a mic or a microphone on my computer, so I will click here. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in knowing about how to use content marketing to grow your business, please reach out to us. So this is how, rather than typing it all out, I am able to voice type it. It's much simpler and easy. If your voice and if your speech is properly it's proper, it's precise, pronunciation is good, then all the words will come up very easily. And it is also a good way to practice your pronunciation, and also it helps you improve your workflow. So thank you for watching this video, and yeah, this is something which I wanted to make a small and quick video. Take care.